attended the faculty training which is conducted a few weeks back, and I understand everybody knows how to create their own, upload their own content or create content. But today also we'll give a short overview of that, how to do that along with the MedAce content. With that, I'll hand over to my colleague Bhakti. She is going to showcase the platform. So as an instructor faculty, how to log into the platform, what are the ways you can access the content, this will be covered in today's sessions. And if you have any queries during the session, please ask so that we can clarify your doubts.
Thank you, Wilson. Welcome everybody to the session. As Wilson said, we'll show you how to access MedAce content today. Yeah, any questions? Okay. I think, Wilson, there are a couple of people still joining in. So let's wait for, should we wait or should we continue? Because I think
you can continue. I think you can share the recording of this to the
session. Great. Okay. Yeah, great. So I'll directly go to the web browser, right? Where you can, I'll show you how you can access the platform.
Yeah,
so
your screen is not visible, but can share.
Yeah. Now, can you see it? Can you see the web browser? Great. Yes. Thank you, Susan. Yeah. So to access your LMS platform, you just have to go to web browser and type in Office, right? Office.com, where you'll ask to sign in. You can sign in using your email ID and password, the Office email ID and password, right? Then you go to the apps, the app finder, and then you have SAML application, which is over here, right? If you click over here, you will be directed to the platform directly, right? Another way you can do is, I believe, here, right? Sign you if you're logged in, I think it should go directly. Yeah, it goes directly. You don't have to sign in multiple times. So from here, you directly go to this link, app finder from MS Office. You will be directly logged into the platform, right? LMS platform. So once you are logged in today, as you see, I've logged in as a test instructor. Same roles are given to me as you would see once you log in, right? And as Wilson has told, you must have already been uploading content on the platform, which very easily you can do it. Now, if you log in from MS Office, you will see that in your My Course tab, there are two MedAce content available for you, your access, right? MedAce PY1. Right, you see all the content which you have created for your students, courses with question banks, and everything is available. You can just, if you want to access blood as your content, you just have to click on blood, click blood here, click here to access blood. So you will be directed to your MedAce content. It just takes time. Usually don't take time to upload, but yeah. So you're in this course, right, where you'll be able to see all the videos related to that topic, right? There is a video here which you'll be able to see. Apologies for slower internet. Usually at this time there's an issue of my internet. So if you just have to play, so you're able to view that.
Welcome to the blood
video,
learning
right?
Resource.
Going back to the content, if you have in a second module, psychology, you'll be able to see all the content related to that topic, right? There are videos which you can easily access.
Welcome to this module on RBC formation and its functions.
So you'll be able to access your MedAce content. If you want to go back to your course, click on the home icon, right? It's not linked, I believe. So you just have to come back to blood, right? Click on back. You'll be able to come back to the platform. Just click on your home page, your icon, the university icon, and you will be back to your main landing page where you can access your course you're enrolled to, right? If you want to just access MedAce content, if you see on my course widget, there's a tab called as MedAce, where you will be able to see just the MedAce topic, right? PY1, PY2 related topics which you have, you'll be able to access that. If you go back, right? If you want to access your particular course, so any particular course, you can access that particular course. Or if you click on all tab, you'll be able to see all the courses you with your MedAce content available on the platform.
So
Having
just one point to add here. So as you know, everyone, so MedAce is having the rich content developed by the MedAce team, which has interactive content. Okay, so they have added the content in PY2 and PY2 courses, and they are divided into organ system. As you can see, the blood, other thing, these are the organ system, right? So the both the courses will be available to you, PY1, PY2. So this will be useful during your teaching to the student, and similar same courses will be available to student also, they can refer later on. Okay, on the right hand side, last course you can see community medicine. This is the actual course within your platform, the your instance platform. This is where you are the instructor, where you can, let's suppose you are the instructor for community medicine, you can create, upload your own content here. Let's suppose you want to share with some PDF, Word document, or some video material with your student in this particular course, you can do so. Okay, from this particular course, and you can post your announcement, communicate with the learners. Okay, so this will be done by you as a faculty within your own courses, whereas the MedAce is the readily available content, whereas you can only view the content, consume the content, and help, you can use this content for during your teaching learning and path during the classroom sessions.
Thank you, Vincent.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what, yeah, MedAce content, it is readily available for you to access. And as Wilson was telling, this is an example course, right? So you will be seeing, once you're logged in, you'll be seeing the course you are teaching, right? So this is a community medicine course, where if you want to add in content, you just have to click on content, add in the content, like uploading the files and everything. You'll be able to easily do it over here. Then assignments, you just have to click on assignment tool link. You will be easily be able to assignment, be discussions, all these tools. I believe the training has been already done with you people. So you should not have any problem accessing and creating the tools and activities inside your content, right? So similarly, you can use this announcement tool. I think this is a very powerful tool, which in the platform, where you can use to communicate between your students, where you can create announcements with assignment updates or content update, or if you want to give any reference materials, right, which you want to link it and give out to students enrolled in your course. I think you should really use this tool. Just you have to put announcement tool, right? Click on a new announcement. You'll be able to click on new announcement. Let me show. I don't have that access, right? So very easily you can create an announcement, link activity to that announcement, and post that announcement to your students enrolled, right? So that everybody in your course has that access and know that, okay, this is a new update on my course. They obviously will get notifications, but with announcement, it just makes it easier for them to access and know about any updates in your course, right? And calendar widget is very similar. I think if you have updated any announcement inside your course, or added any quiz or assignments, you will have that with the due dates. You'll be able to see those events updated in the calendar. MS Team widget is very similar. Just sign in, and you'll be able to access your MS Teams access. And work to do is again very clear list you'll have of assignments and quizzes with due dates and submissions, evaluations, which you'll have going on in your course. Again, I would like to also mention here, there's no course admin here. So there is, if you are logged in, you will obviously see course admin link under course tool drop down, where you will have, if you don't see
Yeah,
any
you can just
link,
refresh Bhakti page. You should
okay,
be able to.
great. Yeah, so if you don't see anything, right, talk to your administrator. They will be able to provide the link for you as quickly as Wilson just did it for me, right? So you should be able to do it. If you don't see any of the links, right, announcements, yeah, see, if you see create announcement, I can now create announcement. If you don't see anything for the platform, your admin point of contact for the Brightspace learning management system should be able to do it by just adding in the permissions or granting the permission for your role, right? If not, you just if they are also not able to solve it, you just drop us an email and we should be able to help you out, right? So as I was talking about course admin, in the drop down of course tool, if you don't see any links here and if you want to access anything, should be able to see all the links for the tools. You would need to have the course and create your content dynamic way, right, an engaging way, and use the platform to its level, right? All and every tools easily accessed, you can access over here. Since now I have access of creating announcement, let me go, right? Let me go and create one announcement, show you how you can create. So in the drop down of the announcement, let me go back. So if you see this widget on your course homepage, you'll see a drop down here, right? So I'm going to click on new announcement because I want to have the new announcement sent out to my students. I'm going to have the announcement as assignment, right? I want to update on assignment, right? Assignment updates, right? So I'm going to type in the assignment update. Here is the assignment link. And I can link it over here, right? For them, I can use this quick link and I can link the assignment. I don't have anything, but you should be able to see assignment 1, 2, or the name of assignment you might have given for your course, right? You can link that, have that quick link over here so that once the student clicks on this, they'll be able to directly go and view that assignment given by you for the course, right? And give all any other instructions you want to give for them to solve that assignment. Probably you want them to submit the assignment in form of PDF, or have make sure that the due date has been set for the assignment and that has been displayed in the course in this content, right? Have the availability set for the announcement, right? You want to start today, and when do you want this announcement to remove? Probably after the due date of the assignment, right? Since this is an assignment link. Once that is done, again, if you want to attach, let's say sometimes what happens if you want to attach any reference material with an assignment, you can give that in example in the content as well, saying, okay, why don't you refer this link, this paper for your solving assignment solving, right? You can add that file very easily from your computer, be it, or from your course file, and so on, right? You can also record audio and video instructions and attach it to that announcement. You can also attach in release condition. I believe, again, release conditions have been told to you, right? Create and attach release conditions. For example, you want them to complete viewing of the topic in your content, right? Or have completed or quiz and they've scored some points, right? So you can have the release condition created and attached to your assignment, and you can save it as draft if you are not ready to publish this announcement, or if you're ready and you want to post this announcement, you can post it, and it will be available for you, and available not just for you but for all your students enrolled in the course, right? This is how it would look like, and they will have the alert over here, right? The students will have alert here, announcement alerts. So you can see all the announcement. You can if you want to go back, you can edit, you can delete the announcement, you can copy the announcement and have it ready, or if you make any changes, you can very easily go and edit the announcement. I'm gonna make sure delete it, but it is going to be there in the announcement too, right? If I see if I have to delete it from here, I have to make sure go and delete the announcement, right? So that way the announcement is deleted from my announcement table. Any other questions you have if you're using the platform and you would have regarding the platform, please let us know. We can have the discussion right now.
Yeah. So the please understand. I hope they're able to understand the login process. The similar login process will be there for your student as well. They will also use the same single sign-on approach to log into the platform. And once they log in, they will able to see the the MedAce content tab, and based on the PY1 or PY2, they will see the list of courses under that PY1, and they can consume the content, refer the material within the MedAce content. Along with that, they will also see the another tab based on their professional year, either professional year 1 or 2, where you as an instructor, if you uploaded any content, you have put an announcement or some activity you have created, the student will be engaged to that with you. Okay. So this is how the flow will be, the LMS. I understand that currently you will be only consuming the MedAce content, where you will able only the viewing the MedAce content and accessing for your teaching and learning, and along with the students. Okay. But in future, let's suppose you want to upload your own content and create an learning module for your learners, that is also possible with your courses. If you have any questions related to platform and any other things, if you want a clarification, please ask so we can clarify your doubt now.
Why don't I show login again, right? There are a lot
Yeah,
of people just logged in.
yeah, just show the
Just
login
log out.
approach once.
Right. So I log out from the office as well, just so that it can be cleared, right? So you need any web browser, right? In web browser, you just have to go in and type in office login, right? Office.com. Click on sign in. Once you sign in, you would be able to see your email ID. Type in your email ID and password. You click on sign in. This is your office sign in, right? Once you're in your MS of Microsoft Office homepage, you will see that there is a app finder link over here, right? Or there is 9 dots you will be able to see on your left hand upper corner, app launcher. If you click on that, you will see lot other all the apps, right? If you're not able to see here SIMS SAML app link, you'll select all app. Scroll down, you should be able to see in others, right? SIMS SAML or not. If not, SI, you just use search tab, right? SI.
The learning management system. Adu. Sir.
Yeah, this is what you'll be able to see over here, right? SIMS SAML. If you click on it, it is linked. I don't know why it is. Yeah, you should be able to directly logged in and bring yourself over to the platform. If not, sign in using the MS Office homepage, right? Let me just go and see why it is happening again. Once you select that, it should direct you to the platform. Is the login clear now using a single sign-on, that is your Microsoft homepage? Sign in to your Microsoft homepage, click on App Finder, or and you will be able to see SIMS, the learning management system, the name which is given in your MS Office or homepage. You just select that, you will be directed to the platform. Once you're on the platform, you should be able to see, now that you're already using, you should be easily able to navigate inside the platform, and you will be able to see in the course widget your MedAce PY1 content, MedAce PY2 content for your access during learning or teaching. And you should also be able to see your course which you're teaching for the year or semester. And once you select that, you will be able to create assignments, quizzes for your course, have the announcements ready, posted for your course, events which the calendar will be populated once you create assignments and quizzes with the due dates. Check in your class progress, have the quick eval populated once the submissions has been done by the students. Check in your modules and units. If you in future, as Wilson was telling, would like to upload content on the platform, with just clicking on this content, you should be able to upload the content on the platform, right? By I think this training has been already done very easily. You can do that. You can also post discussions for your course. You can look at the class progress. You can have Any other tooling which you're not able to, as I said, go to course admin. You should be able to access all the toolings for your course. If not, let the person who is in charge as a super admin for learning management system, and they should be able to give you the permission to access the tooling required, right? So this is where you can create content or activities such as assignments, quizzes, discussions, or announcements, right? Evaluate your assignments and quizzes using Tutorial as a tool, right? Coming back again to the home page, access your MedAce content with just clicking on which content, right, which year content, py1 or py2. Then click, if you see this is a very creative and dynamic way the content has been created for you in terms of or I believe organs is what Wilson was telling. Yeah, so if you want to access blood content, you can just go and click here to access MedAce content, right? So you'll be able to access any and all the content related to that particular topic, right?
Thanks, Bhakti.
Welcome, Wilson.
Any questions, any clarification required on this?
I see there's a chat. Is MedAce content 100% complete for each subject per PY? There's a question.
Yeah. This I think you can get the answer from the MedAce team. I think they will be able to answer that related to content.
This is MedAce PY1. MedAce PY2 is the content which you can see over here with the question bank and everything. If you don't see anything, the content part, yeah, as Wilson said, you can contact the person who is responsible for MedAce content creation, and they should be able to upload the content on the platform.
So currently these are the modules available in MedAce site. So all are will be available to you as well. Okay, if they add any additional module, that will also you'll get updated modules in your platform as well. Okay. So related to content, the module or organ systems, anything, I think you need to approach the MedAce team to get a clarity on that part. Yeah. Any other questions?
Yeah, if you're not able to see this, you can again let the person with admin know, so they should be able to give access to the MedAce content for you. Can you share the link for login here?
Yeah, just the link.
Yeah, just let me go back.
Copy paste the link. Yeah. Let me do that.
Just I can share it from the link which you have shared. Just a minute.
I'll put that. Bhakti, very great.
Okay, great. Thank you, Wilson. I got it. Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah. So any other questions? Please try to log in to the site and see whether able to your login or not. If you're finding any difficulty, please reach out to IT team, your IT team. They should be able to help you out. And if there is an issue, we will definitely there to support you.
Hello, yeah, Wilson.
Yes, ma'am.
The tomorrow.
Your voice is coming very low, ma'am.
The tomorrow's session, no?
Yes,
at 10 a.m. It is the same session, right?
Right, same thing. Yeah.
Okay, so those who have missed today, they can attend tomorrow.
Right, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, it's at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. If you have any queries, please reach out to us. Or if you need any support further also. I hope currently you are not adding any content, only you are consuming content. And future, if let's suppose you want more training sessions or any query handling sessions required for your faculty member, please reach out to us. Shall we wind up the sessions, ma'am? if there is no queries.
Yes.
There is a, sorry, Wilson, there's a chat message. Avijit not able to log in. Is it, are you talking, sir? Are you talking about, or sorry, are you talking about the platform or the?
Yeah, Abhijit here.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
Avijit. Yeah, Avijit, tell me.
Yeah, actually, means if they are facing any problem related to logging in for single sign-on,
Yeah.
I'll be there to help.
Yes.
And means only the Office 365, whatever email ID is there for the faculties,
Yes.
you'll be able to log in through that particular user ID with the existing email ID and password. And means if your email is opening, then definitely this application also must open.
Yeah, and Avijit, one just a suggestion regarding the app which you created, you can just put a descriptive name for which suits your like some kind of LMS platform or something which suits, instead of now right now it's showing us SMIS SAML, right? Just try to rename it as something with it very descriptive.
Yeah, actually, means already Dichandra madam has suggested something.
Yeah.
Okay, and that one I'll be sharing once more to you. And if that is possible, then we will go ahead with that. Okay.
Yeah, just to share it with your the Azure AD person who has created the app, right? Just ask him to rename that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll do that.
This is just a suggestion. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have already suggested one name. No?
Yeah. Actually, some configuration was there, madam, from our side in the single sign-on. Okay. So there we need to change if I'm not correct. If I'm correct.
Right. Avijit, you need to change it.
Okay, so that part is already done one-sided, and from our side, that particular thing, once it is done, I think it will be okay.
Yeah.
great. So can we end the
Mingma,
session?
madam, once more, madam, are you able to means you are finding any difficulty to log into your email?
Yes, today that's been a problem, and even here is the same problem.
Yeah, I'll communicate you, madam, after this particular meeting. Actually, we have introduced the security feature for verification of email and mobile number.
Yeah,
That might be the issue.
Yesterday.
Yeah, just yesterday we have done. So I'll communicate you just after the meeting and solve it.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
even I am also having the same issue. I've been logged out from both my system. So today I had to again re-log in, and I don't know my password also because it used to automatically open, and now I'm not able to open my
Yeah, password is not yet we have not touched. Password will be same. Only thing is that it will be asking for verification of your mobile number and the email, which once verified, then everything will be on its own place.
Yeah, no, in my website I could open, okay, in my laptop, but in the app I could not open. They did not ask for the verification.
Ma'am, don't worry. I'm sending in somebody to your chamber, and it will be done.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Okay. So we'll connect tomorrow once again. Those faculties, we will have the similar session tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you, Ajit. Thank you, ma'am.